Hi, my name is Dr. Bullard at the Glen Dental here in San Jose, and I look forward to talking to you about different solutions that we can provide for patients that are wearing a denture and what the benefits are with implants for a full arch solution. We see a lot of patients that come into our practice on a regular basis that have a denture that is ill-fitting, loose, that doesn't allow them to eat foods they enjoy, corn on the cob, steak. They're very concerned about when they're in a social environment with family or friends that their denture is going to be coming out or loose, or not able to enjoy foods that they normally do. The advantages of implants allow us to maintain their palate to be clear and to be able to be free of any obstructions. Implant solutions for the upper and lower allow areas for the tongue and the palate not to be covered. This allows you to taste food more favorably. It allows you to eat and chew foods that you may have given up on. Patients are very pleased to know that these solutions can be fixed, that don't need to be removed. We go over the specific hygiene protocols that are required to maintain this type of restoration in the mouth healthy. We always try to minimize the amount of adjustments that we need to do for the patient to be able to allow a more favorable, cleansable restoration to be completed. So if you're dealing with an ill-fitting denture, or have a loved one, a parent or a neighbor or a friend that has a denture that doesn't fit very well, we'd love to be able to discuss options that we have with the new technology in dental implants. A lot of these solutions can be done within 24 hours to allow patients to be able to get back to a healthy lifestyle that allows them to enjoy social interactions with family and friends. And we'd love for you to come into the Glen Dental so we can discuss these options with you.